I'll be flying down right after you guys. Lawrence, 1, 3, and 4, clip launch at pledge.
1, 3, 4, 10, 1, 10, next clear, launch pledge to pledge.
Right.
They're pretty sweet, aren't they? I enjoy them. A lot of people say they're unfashionable and not cool, but I'm not cool either, so. You ready? 3, 2, and 1. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, and 1. See you guys down there.
There we go.
Well up and down.
I don't feel like it's gonna stop.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna loosen these straps up for you.